Good morning, class ninth. This is last part of chapter Physical Features of India. In the previous part, you studied about the peninsular plateau and the Indian desert. In this part, you are going to study about the coastal plains and the island. Let us begin with the coastal plains. The coastal plains. A coastal plain is a flat, low-lying piece of land next to the ocean. To the east and the west of the peninsular plateau, two narrow strips of plain lands are found, which are respectively called Eastern Coastal Plain and Western Coastal Plain. Let us talk about the Eastern Coastal Plain first. The Eastern Coastal Plains is a wide stretch of landmass lying between the Eastern Ghats and the Bay of Bengal. In the northern part, it is referred to as the Northern Sircar, while the southern part it is known as Coromandel Coast. Large rivers such as Mahanadi, the Godavari, the Krishna, and the Kaveri have formed extensive delta on this coast. Lake Chilika is the important feature along the eastern coast. Western Coastal Plain. The Western Coastal Plain is sandwiched between the Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea. It is a narrow plain and consists of three sections as mentioned below. The northern part of the coast is called the Konkan, Mumbai and Goa. The central stretch is called the Kannada Plain. The southern stretch is referred to as the Malabar Coast. Now let us talk about islands. The island. The island is a piece of subcontinental land that is surrounded by water. Lakshadweep Island group is composed of small coral islands which were earlier known as Lakadweep, Minicoy and Aminadweep. The entire group of islands is divided into two broad categories: the Andaman in north, the Nicobar in south. These islands lie close to the equator and experience equatorial climate and have thick forest cover. The diverse physical features of India have immense future possibilities of development because of the following reasons. The mountains are the major source of water and forest wealth. The northern plains are the granaries of the country. They provide the base for early civilization. Granaries means the place from where we can get food. The plateau is a storehouse of minerals which has played a crucial role in the industrialization of country. The coastal region and island groups provide sites for fishing and port activities. So, in this video, we learned about the coastal plains and the island. This brings us to the end of this video and end of this chapter as well. Thank you and have a nice day.